How to enable stats for nerds on YouTube. Alright folks, it's simple. You're going to start by clicking here on your profile picture. Now go to this settings gear up here and click it. Clicking it will open the settings menu. You'll click on this first option, general, and once you click on general, as you can see down here, there's the option to enable stats for nerds. You click it and stats are enabled. So what do you do now to view them on a video? I'm going back. You go back, you can go back because basically when you open a video, I'll open this one, you won't see the stats directly, okay? To view the YouTube stats for nerds, you need to click the gear icon that appears on the video. Click it and then click on the More option. By clicking More, you can then click here to view the stats. I'm going to click it. As you can see, some data about the video will appear, okay? These are more technical details about the video, alright? I hope I helped those who wanted to know how to enable YouTube's stats for nerds. If I helped you, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.